In this video, I'm going to show you how to private your TikTok account. Now, if you're new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've done that, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate that. Now guys, for you to private your TikTok account, first of all, open your TikTok app. Then you need to log in into your TikTok account. So as you can see, I'm on my profile account and I want to private this account. So just tap on those three lines at the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Then go to privacy. Then you are going to see private account there. So you need to open that button. Just tap on it to open it. Then the button has been opened. Now your account has been made private. So if you go back to your profile, you are going to see at the top there that this account is private. So that's it guys. That's how you can simply private or make your account private on TikTok. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.